Lee here with Curtis Family Adventures. For the last couple months I've been on a real cool journey in my life. In May of this year I turned 47 years old, and Mary and the kids thought it would be really cool to get me a tri-dive scuba diving lesson. This is where you go with instructors for a tri-dive for like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. And I was a little nervous, but when I came back I have fallen in love with scuba diving. So for the rest of the summer I just kind of saved my money and put it aside and waited till things around our local dive center calmed down for the summer. And in September I started my open water scuba diving course. And since then I have finished my open water scuba diving course, and I have stepped up to the next level of advanced open water. And so far I have completed all of my diving courses except 2. During this time, my passion for the sea, my passion for being underwater and sea life has grown tremendously. And so we thought it'd be really cool from this point on to catch you guys up to what my journey's been like, and for you guys to come along and follow the journey with me. So right now I have 2 dives left in my open water advanced journey. It's been a really cool journey to get the dive here at our local dive center here in Kushadasa at Diver Bees. They're a group of instructors. Selchuk and Sophie are amazing. They have patience and just encourage you in every way possible. Yesterday I had a buoyancy, a perfect buoyancy course underwater, about 6 meters, 7 meters, trying to really key in on my balance and my buoyancy, and it was a total failure. It was really frustrating. I am 6'2" and have very long legs, and yeah, and the weather's turning here, so I tried a different suit with a hood on it. So you divers, you know what the struggles I went through. So if you have any encouragement, any ideas, please comment below. Lutfin, please. We need your, this is why I wanted to go on this journey, is for all the scuba divers around the world. It's like a family, and we all come together to help each other and encourage each other. So my goal is to become a dive master, to become a dive instructor. This is my passion. For many of you that don't know me, from the time I was 13 to the time I was 30, I was a bull rider. Did it for about 10 years as an amateur, and then about 8 years as a professional. And then I had a bad accident when I turned 30 years old in a car, and it kind of took me out. So my passion for adrenaline, my passion for excitement, and just something to have compassion about over the last, 10 years, 15, 16 years have just dwindled. So now this is something I'm really excited about, and at the age of 47, I'm going after it. I'm going to see what I can do. And my goal is to become a dive master and then go back and become a dive instructor. So come along on this journey with me. Let's make mistakes, let's learn, let's get frustrated, let's get back up, dust ourselves off, and get back on again. Come on, let's go on this journey. Scuba diving 2023. This is my local dive center here in Kushadasa, Turkey. It's called Diver Bees Dive Center. If you're in Kushadasa and you have some time and you want to learn to dive, this is the place to come.
Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.